Welcome friends, welcome to MetaCare. The question is the major product P. So here the product P is a major product and the Q. So 4 options are given. So think about the first step. In this first step, we have benzene reacting with propyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. I mean, that is a typical Fidelkraft reaction, right? But here we have to think a little bit. I mean, if you know how Fidelkraft reaction actually goes, then you can actually figure out the product P in this case. So what happens in first case, aluminum chloride and this alkyl halide that will react and it will make a electrophile, that is basically a carbocation. That carbocation will react with benzene as an electrophilic substitution reaction. That means as an electrophilic substitution reaction, that alkyl group will attach to the benzene. So let's see how it happens. So here you have the alkyl chloride, right? Now here your aluminum chloride comes into picture. That is first try to bind with this chlorine. I mean, that is a Lewis acid, and here lone pair on the chlorine atom is present, so that is basically bind with this chlorine atom. So from here it will form a carbocation, actually CH2 plus and AlCl4 minus. I mean, this bond will break. So this one is a 1 degree carbocation. Now you already know that 1 degree carbocation, that is actually your electrophile in this reaction. So it can rearrange to form a more stable (2-degree) carbocation. How this is happening? Actually, this is a hydride shift from this carbon to the carbon bearing positive charge. So now the positive charge will appear here. So this is the carbocation which is more stable compared to degree carbocation. So the reaction will proceed through this both electrophile, the electrophile 1 degree carbocation and with the 2 degree carbocation. Now here your benzene ring, reacting with both the carbocation. If it's react with 1 degree carbocation, then it will yield the product this one. But if it's react with 2 degree carbocation, then it will yield this one. Now the question is the major product. So out of these two, one will be major and another will be minor. So see, this is reacting with 2 degree carbocation, which is more stable. The contribution in this reaction to the 1 degree carbocation will be less and 2 degree carbocation will be more. That's why reaction with 2 degree carbocation leading to the product will be more. That means this is the major product and this one is the minor product. Okay, so now come to the second step. In this second step, we have this major product P. Actually this is our major product P. So this major product is reacting with oxygen and later it is treated with acid, and there is two products. The two products are forming. One is phenol, what is the other product? So Q we have to find out, right? So see, this product, when treated with oxygen, this mechanism actually goes through a radical intermediate. So we are not going in deeper of that. So now from this compound, this one is treated with, and the second in the second step, that is treated with acid. So now you have H3O plus. So H3O plus basically keeps H plus ions. That H plus ions will bind here, and it will form right. Now this entire phenyl ring will shift to this oxygen atom. From here we have actually oxygen. This phenyl ring goes to the oxygen atom, and then it comes so here water we have removed, right? And in our solution water is also present. So now water can attack this carbocation, and that will lead to the product, right? Now here one thing happens, this proton transfer from this oxygen to this oxygen is actually okay. So now this is OH plus, so here H plus actually act as a catalyst. So now this H plus goes away, and you get the product. This is minus H plus actually, plus H plus phenol plus this one CH3CO. In this process the side product is acetone, and that is actually our Q, right? So our P is cumene and acetone is the Q. So the right answer choice will be C. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment below. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. We will try to make separate videos for your queries. Thank you very much.